Hello everyone, this is Andrew from SFG Tech. Today I'm going to talk to you about this unit over here, which is called the HydroGrow Pro unit. The HydroGrow Pro is basically a trough. It's 1.5 meters long, and there's two different ways that you can use it. The one is either as a deep water culture method, in which case the unit will come with these saddles, 13 of them, and 13 grow cups. The unit will be filled with water, and basically the saddle will straddle like that. But that's not the focus of the discussion today. Today we're talking about the unit being used as what we call the planter. When we sell it as a planter, the unit comes with 4 inserts. You see they are concave. I'll explain why now. It comes with 5 braces. The braces will go over the sides of the unit to keep the unit intact, so that your soil doesn't push it open wide. There are also holes in the side of the brace which you can use with wire or something for irrigation or for other requirements. And then you have got these 5 fittings. So what that consists of is 2 threaded elbows. Now you can see on the box you've got 2 ports on each side, so what you're seeing on this side is happening on the other side. So as a planter you would put the threaded unit at the base here. Let me just move it a bit until it's finger tight, and you'd put an end cap on this side. So what I'm doing on this side you do on the other side, and the way this works is that one can be an inlet port and the other one an outlet port. Let's imagine this is the outlet port. By turning this, you control the water level in the unit. So this will be a low water level, and that will be a high water level. So this elbow, there's an extra elbow like this, is basically if you want to link a whole bunch of units together, there'll be a bit of pipe which you buy, and then you can take the outlet from the one as an inlet to the next one. But let's have a look inside here. So the way that these inserts work is you drop them inside your unit. 2 have basically got a round edge, and that basically allows them to fit snugly, and then the other 2 fit inside like this. Now the theory behind it is, you can see the shape over here, is that your water is underneath here, but you should try not to have it all the way above. There should be basically an air layer underneath here, which means that your soil will drain if it is too wet. Some of the grow medium, and I'll get to the grow medium in a second, will make contact with the water. So let's just add a bit of grow medium in here. So here's your grow medium, and you're going to be planting your plants in this grow medium. And you either plant by seeds or by seedlings. But when I've got my water in here, some of this grow medium is going to touch that water that's inside here, and then the water is going to move through the soil via a process of capillary action to where the roots are. If it's too wet, as I say, it will drain and will overflow. So your potting mix, the grow medium that you use, can be something like a high quality potting mix, which means it's got nutrients in it. You can also add nutrients into the water. Now up here we've got basically a planted unit, and I have filled it up quite full, and I just want to demonstrate the overflow. It's just by turning that you can see the overflow happening over here. So it's very easy to control the watering over here, and you can plumb this, as I say, either with a rack on a vertical system or an A-frame, or it's up to your imagination. So that is the HydroGrow planter.